Before opening your DVR or removing the battery, try this first. It works on many H.264 DVR models. This is a typical generic H.264 DVR. No reset button, no reset hole. Let's try the fastest method. Step 1. Always type username, admin. First, try the most common default password, 123456. Second common password, 6 ones. Now try 6 zeros. Now try 888888. Now try 666666. Some H.264 DVRs come with blank password by default. If this works, change it immediately. Go to System Settings and set a strong new password to secure your DVR. If default passwords don't work, don't open the DVR yet. In the next method, I'll show you the master password trick without a reset button.